In EBM book, there are two types of discounts: automate discount and normal discount. An automated discount is already a pre-selected discount applied over a product. You won't be able to select a normal discount if an item already has an automated discount. An automated discount can only be applied over each product during creating a product through a product management window. From the settings, under the Money Management tab on the left panel, click Item Discounts. Then, go ahead and create or update a discount. In normal discounts, there are two types of discounts: percentage-based and amount-based. These normal discounts can only be applied over each product during ordering the product. On EBM book, you can create as many discounts as you wish. To apply any of the discounts over an item in the cart, click an item in the cart. Then, from the Item Management window, click the discount symbol. Choose the discount that you wish or just unselect it. Also remember, you can only apply a discount over an item, not on the deal. It's that simple. You can also view the applied discounts from the order screen, dashboard screen, and from the reports section. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials.